Welcome to the PPA Wizard. We hope this online tool will help you and your team to conduct a patient pathway analysis for your country. The PPA Wizard takes in your raw data sources and the inputs you provide, and then automates the data analysis and data visualization. This video will show you how to get set up to use the Wizard effectively. The first step is to register with a user profile, consisting of your email address and password. After verifying my email address, I'll be able to log in. After logging in, I land on the My Team Spaces page. The PPA Wizard was created to support a collaborative approach to creating PPAs. Users are encouraged to take full advantage of this by joining colleagues and other collaborators in a team space. Members of a team space use common data sources, share PPAs, and operate within a shared version control environment. Aside from the demo team, I'm not yet a member of any teams, so I'll go ahead and create a new team space now. I'll call my team space Country X. As the creator of the team space, I am its owner, and I'm the only person who can ever delete the team space. I'm also automatically an administrator of the team space, so I'll be able to create PPAs, modify them, and delete them. As an administrator, I might also access this Manage Users function to invite collaborators to my team space. When I click the Manage Users icon, I see that I don't yet have any other team members, but I can invite them here. Once I invite someone, they'll receive an email inviting them to join my team space. Once they accept the invitation, they'll show up here the next time I log into my team space. They will be designated read-only by default, and this means that they'll be able to view PPA inputs and download results from our team space, but they'll not be able to add or delete data sources, and they will not be able to add, delete, or make any modifications to our shared PPAs. However, I can always change any user status to administrator here on the Manage Users page. Now my team members and I are ready to start creating PPAs. But before we do that, there are a few features that may be helpful to know about. There are several options I can access via the hamburger menu. For example, I can always view the library of data sources for my team. First, I need to make sure to select my new team space for Country X. Otherwise, I would go to the data sources for the demo team. As an administrator for the Country X team, I can upload data sources here if I wish. I'm not going to do that now, though, because I'll have an opportunity to do it later during the guided process of creating a PPA in the Wizard. I can also go to my user profile if I ever wish to change my email address or password that I use to log in to the PPA Wizard. This resources link will take me to the homepage for the PPA website. Here I can access journal articles, case studies, the written how-to guide, and other resources including video tutorials like this one. Clicking the resources link opens a separate window, so I can peruse the resources as I keep working in the Wizard. Now that I have a user profile, I also have access to the demo team. This gives me read-only access to all of the PPAs that are featured in the video tutorials. In fact, this fictional Country X team space I've just created will be used to recreate the PPAs from the demo team. Lastly, as a PPA Wizard user, I can be a member of as many team spaces as necessary. Let's imagine the data manager for Country Y has invited me to join their team space, say on a read-only basis, so that I can serve as an advisor. I receive an email invitation to join. After accepting the invitation, I can access this new team space the next time I log in with my existing user profile. After logging in, I see that I now have access to Country Y via the My Team Spaces page. Since I'm not the owner of the team space, I have the option to leave the team space if I wish. I'm not an administrator, so I will not be able to manage users as I would for the Country X team space that I created and for which I am an administrator. Now I'm all set up in the PPA Wizard. To create PPAs for my country, Country X, I'll select the team and then click Go to PPAs for selected team space. The next set of videos will show me creating PPAs in the Wizard using the demo data. Enjoy!